Hello and welcome to Macca's Model Airplane News. Live from our studios in Dallas, Texas, I'm Vicki Hudson. Today's big breaking news story is that six-time national champion and three-time Macca #1 Mike Willcox has packed his planes and cameras and headed for Russia, where he'll be attending the 1999 St. Petersburg World Cup. Mike, one of America's top pilots, will have his work cut out for him, flying against the toughest pilots in the world. This competition is often known to be even harder to win than the World Championships due to the level of competition. Let's go now live to Russia with Mike.
Hey, thanks, Vicki. This is Mike Willcox. I'm over here in St. Petersburg, Russia, getting ready for the St. Petersburg World Cup 1999. This World Cup decides the final three pilots who will be going to the European Championships over in Spain, so the competition is going to be fierce. So sit back in your seat and get ready for some excitement. You're going to see some cool combat, some really cool engines with Venturis on the opposite side, and I'll even take you guys into a few of the different shops I got to go take a look at. Here we go.
Lariat, hello from Valentina Lyosin, St. Petersburg.
В этот же день родился беспощадная.
Thank you, Ari.
Everyone is happy.
After film machines. New cases, this is going to be ready very soon. To put the engines together, laboratory, you see.
This is special glasses.
Вы просто красивые.
Да ладно вы!
Твой шурик.
I think there's business going on here.